Happy Deepavali to everyone.
I really don't want to leave this place, but then
Yes, we got to see how people during Vijayanagara Empire time celebrated Deepavali by lighting up all the temples here or mantapas here. It was really, really nice. Very good intricate work. Wow, you should visit Hampi. Doesn't matter if it's hot or cold, you should come here, alva?
of course.
Hi guys, Big Bang Biker here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. We are going to Vijaya Vittala temple. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 2:30 is when we are planning to reach over there. Just 5 kilometers away, not a big deal. Now we have come to a place called Green Restaurant and this is how it looks. My bike is parked there. Well, Shruti and I are sitting there. We'll have some quick lunch, fried rice, noodles, something like that. And then we'll head out. In the night, we'll have good food. Afternoon, it's too hot actually. It's too bright as you see over there, so we decided we'll come to a place like this, which is really cool and green. Okay, so I had parked my bike on in the shade as well. This was a really good place. The food was also good. Honestly, it was very good. We just had fried rice and noodles, man. We don't want to fill up on food and lose on the fun that we want to have right now. Because it's extremely hot, doesn't really make any sense to be eating too much. After 6:30 or 6 o'clock, Hampi will close anyway completely. In the sense, the tourist spots and all will close. Chalo, let's go. I called my mom in the afternoon and I asked her how was Bangalore, and she's like totally cloudy, not able to see the sun, and around 21 degrees or something like that. I was like, whoa. This was the one which we were supposed to come. So this is another good hotel, Mayura Bhuvaneshwarina. Government hotel. That also has very good reviews, but then coming to Clarkson, the cleanliness is too good. Well, anyways, let's explore Hampi. So Vijaya Vittala temple left. First time coming to Hampi. Already start. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋಣ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ 15th 16th century, how should it have been, man?
I know.
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Now it looks so beautiful.
Yeah, dude. Even with the ruins, exactly. Parking ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಓ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಾ? Okay. Good. ಅಲ್ಲ, these are major tourist spots now, ಅಲ್ವಾ? Everything will be available. Okay, so we have reached the Vijaya Vittala temple right now. We have taken e-tickets. That's what they are doing to make sure to be safe during this situation. And we have our guide called Somesh. Hi. He's one of the government service employee here. We'll take a walk. I just don't want to keep riding my bike everywhere. My wife just took the e-tickets. We have parked our bike safely here. All the facilities are available, no issues at all. And we'll see how it goes today. At the end of the video, I'll make sure to give you full info about how to, even hire the guide and everything. There is the karting facility also available, as you see there. But I would rather prefer to walk. The main aim of this trip for me and Shruti is not only to keep making vlogs or videos or photos or something like that. No. Rather, we want to understand the history and make sure to experience what happened in the 15th or 16th century and really feel it for ourselves.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ದೇವರಾಯನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಪಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಪೀರಿಯಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಪರ್ಷಿಯನ್ ವಿಸಿಟರ್ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ರಜಾಕ್.
Okay.
ಸೊ ಅವನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ವೈಭವ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೂಮ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಣನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಸರ್ ಅವಾಗ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುವಂತ ರಾಜ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ದೇವರಾಯ. ಎರಡು ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಗ್ರಹ ನೋಡೋದಾಗಿರೋದು. ಒಂದು, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೂ ಧರ್ಮ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ವಿಗ್ರಹದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪೆಡಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ಹೋಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಹೋಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ವಿಗ್ರಹನ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ವಿಗ್ರಹ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಿಸಾಡೋದು, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಈ ತರ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಅಪ್ ಟು 6 months ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
6 months they took to destroy Vijayanagara empire
city. But Hindu kings are the development 230 years.
230 years.
230 years plus 23 kings.
Really, sir.
Now Hampi, there are two parts, sir. One was a sacred area and
Uh,
one was royal area, sir.
sacred area and royal area, sir.
Sacred area they built only the stone structure, sir.
Okay.
But royal area, the 80% built was a wooden structure, sir.
Wooden structure.
From the teak wood, sandalwood,
Okay.
name like different, sir.
Okay.
That's a palace area was 100 acre.
Okay.
But on that 10 acre was Krishnadevaraya Palace.
Krishnadevaraya Palace. 1980?
1980, the World Heritage Site, Hampi.
Okay. In 1980, they declared this as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. And since then, the government is trying hard to make sure to preserve everything and keep it at least in this form so that people like us can come back and see what happened in 15th, 16th century and learn about it. Okay.
So this type of markets in Hampi, 5 markets, sir.
Okay.
Each market they sold different things, sir.
Okay.
But all shopping complexes are open.
Okay.
There is no wall, no doors. It's like
Okay.
open, sir. Trading
Okay.
center.
Okay.
And this is actually market was G+1, sir.
G+1.
Ground floor
Oh.
and first floor, sir. But
Okay.
first floor was collapsed, sir, actually.
First floor has been collapsed. So this was the famous Vittal Bazaar during Vijayanagara time. Wow. So this is where all the traders came in for trading horses, porcelains, etc. So the thing is, you see that on top of the mountain there, let me try to zoom in. See there? The white temple here, that's where Hanuman was born. So this entire place is called Kishkinda Kanda. This side, Sugriva was ruling, and on the other side of the mountain, King Vali was ruling. And if you have seen Ramayana, you know these names already, and you know how it goes. That particular area is sealed off right now for last 10 days because since the lockdown, apparently there has been multiple black panthers and leopards who have taken over the place, and they're trying to scare the tourists. So government has put a ban for 10 days or something like that. So we cannot go there today. Or jothe idini.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ತರ ಸಾಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಇತ್ತು ರಾಜಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಮೇಲು ಫಿಮೇಲು ಕಪಲ್ಸು ವಿತ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾರೇ ಬಂದ್ರು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಸೊ ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಹಳೆಗನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶಾಸನ ಸರ್ ಇದು. ಹಳೆಗನ್ನಡದ ಶಾಸನ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಹಳೆಗನ್ನಡ ಸರ್. ಹಳೆಗನ್ನಡ ಶಾಸನ. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಉದಯಗಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಂದೆನೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
So basically, if you see in the back over there, that's where the Vishnu temple is, and this is where the sabha was made for the king's wife, the first wife, for her to dance and provide seva to the gods. That's what she used to do because she was not allowed for some reason into the temples, right? For making her feel good about what she was doing and to praise her and to protect her and appreciate her talent. The king built these pillars. There are 56 such pillars. Each pillar has its own instrumental sound that comes out. Since 2008, apparently it has been banned that you should not tap and try to find what sound it makes, right? Wow, and there are 400 such pillars in this one area. This is fantastic, dude. And none of these pillars are hollow, and each of these pillars are a monolithic stone using which they have done this. It's not like multiple stones put together, it is just one stone in which things are carved.
ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಹಾ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ 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 ಓಕೆ.
ನಾಟ್ಯ ಮಂಟಪಕ್ಕೆ 10 ಮಿನಿಚರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ದಶಾವತಾರವನ್ನು ಕೆತ್ತನೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಾಮ
ವಾವ್.
ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಎಸ್.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಹಾವೀರ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
Yes.
ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ಸ್ಯ ಕೂರ್ಮ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
Okay. So basically, this is the blueprint for this. Similarly, you have blueprints again for every little square that is there in this mandapa. Shila is holding a damaruga, and so this pillar would make that sound, that exact sound. So that's crazy, man. 16th century. Adu mridanga, no? Mridanga.
Pink color.
Pink color. Okay, okay, okay. Nice.
Symbolic.
Yes.
So then you can get same sound.
Same sound.
From opposite ತಬಲ ತಾಳ.
Okay.
ಸೊ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾಟ್ಯ ಮಂಟಪ ರಾಣಿಯವರು ಚಿನ್ನಾದೇವಿ ನಾಟ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
ಹೌದು.
ನಾಟ್ಯವನ್ನ ಸೊ ರಾಜ ಮಾತ್ರ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದು ದೇವರ ಸೇವೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಸು ಇದಕ್ಕೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಕ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹುಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಆ ಕಾರಿನಿಂದ ಅದೊಂದು ಹುಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಕೆಳಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾರಿಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನ ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕೆಳಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಹೋಲ್ಗಳ ಮುಖಾಂತರವಾಗಿ ರೋಪನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಟೈಟಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಆ ಕಟ್ಟೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 56 ಕಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ 56 ಸೈನಿಕರು ಗಂಧದ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆಯಿಂದ ಆ ಕಂಬಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಡೆಯುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾದ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದರ ನಾದ ತಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ರಾಣಿಯವರು ನಾಟ್ಯ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ ಸಂಗೀತದ ಅಲೆಗಳು ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ 1 ರಿಂದ 1.5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಆಚೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮೆಟಿಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಳೆಗಾಲದ ನೀರು ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂಥ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ನೀರು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಜಾತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಕ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಹುಕ್ಕಿನಿಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀರು ಸೊ ಹೋಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಅದನ್ನು. ಹಾಗೆ ಆ ಬಿಡುವಂಥ ನೀರಿನ ಒಂದು ಹನಿಗಳು ಮುತ್ತಿನ ಮನೆಯ ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸರ್. ಈಗಲೂ ನೀವು ಈ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಜಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹೋಲಿಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸರ್. ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಸರ್. ಅದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂವಿನ ಅಲಂಕಾರಗಳಿದಾವೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೀಪದ ಹಣತೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಹಣತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಈ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ದ್ವೀಪ ತರ ಕಾಣ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಏನು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇವನು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಂತಿರೋದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಹುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್
ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಿ.
16th century.
ಸರ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನೀವು 16th century ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
16th century. Okay.
ಅದು 1509 ಇಂದ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು
16th century ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Correct.
ಆ ಥರ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
So Shruti, wait. Just 1 second, wait. So in 16th century they have thought about screen hooks holding the screens here. Then if it rains, it has to dribble down and fall through so that it will not affect anything inside. So that's so good. So we will try that out now. We have permission to do that.
Wow. See, you saw that?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಕು. It will not go back. Beautiful. That is the idea.
ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮುತ್ತಿನ ಪೋಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಪರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಬೀಳ್ತಿರೋ ತರ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ವಾವ್. So, and as you see here, this is where they would check whether the horse can do all the tricks and everything, and based on that the king used to sit and decide how much money he would like to pay for the horse. When the traders come in from different places like Arab, Portugal and other places, everything is carved out in detail. They used to verify whether the horse is proper or not by checking its teeth, what is the age of it, and whether it is healthy or not by counting its teeth. They have carved that out as well. Wow. And the best part is when the Chinese traders used to come here, they used to have porcelain. So that's what they used to trade. That's why others have horses and the Chinese trader does not have horses. See, the thing is, some of these things you will never find on YouTube or Google or Wikipedia, whatever. Come here, hire a guide, go experience it for yourself. Alright? So glad that we had some water as well with us so that we could try it out. We got it to drink, but I don't want to drink anymore. I want to find out more things. Neer beka sir nimge? Okay. You get to see the old Lipi of Kannada here, or the old version of Kannada. Wow. This was built during one era, and this was built during the other era. Wow. Okay, you see this tree here? This is 150 plus years old. Are you serious? Documented, yes. People say that it can be even older, but come on, 150 years old? I've never seen any tree that old in my life. Waited for nearly 1.5 hours for the crowd to clear so that we can vlog like this with the chariot which is there on the 50 rupee note. A real mark on the Hampi architecture. You should visit Vijaya Vittal temple and listen to the stories from a guide. Alva?
Yeah.
Sakkat andre sakkat agittu. You don't even have a clue how many things were there. I could not cover everything, so that's why I put snippets only. Wow, what a beautiful day, man.